Hello, this is Risa from Anjurisa. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to make this handmade headband for baby using my fabric flower tutorials. Before we start, consider pressing the subscribe button so you won't miss any update. First, I will show you how to make the ruffle fabric flower. I use viscose fabric for this flower. You can use any fabrics like cotton fabric, satin fabric, chiffon fabric, or organza fabric, because this flower doesn't require any burn, melt, or singe method. The width is 2 inches and the length is 20 inches. Fold the fabric in half and sew this part. Then, fold the fabric in half like this. And sew running stitch to gather the fabric. Secure the thread. And trim it. Prepare a small piece of lace, some beads and rhinestones. Attach the lace and embellish the flower with some beads and rhinestones. Our ruffle fabric flower is finished, and now prepare the other materials we need to make this headband. I have made a tutorial for this fabric flower. You can click the link here. I made this lace applique using chiffon, tulle, and organza fabric. You can watch the tutorial here. I made this gold leaves lace using organza fabric and regular sewing machine. You can watch the tutorial here. I bought this piece of fabric, but if you want to make it yourself, you can watch the tutorial here. and we are going to need a piece of felt fabric and elastic band. First, attach these two flowers together. Take this piece of fabric and attach the gold leaves lace. Attach the flowers to this piece of fabric. Next, attach this lace applique. Measure the felt fabric. And attach the elastic band to the flowers. Our baby headband is finished. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this baby headband tutorial, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.